Wow, yes, this is Ben here from Bravo Trader. This is the weekly overview. We're gonna check out how the currencies are going to move on this coming week, starting from the 1st of May on Tuesday up to Friday. As you remember, we believe on executing on Tuesday because on Monday a lot of institutions are planning on. So we let them plan, and the market absorbs their decision. Then we move on. We move on with pound share. The upward momentum has been broken. We see a retest around 137, around 137,846. Now we're expecting a downfall up to 134,878. That's the first target, and we're gonna expect the beyond move up to 133,268. That's the next 2 weeks target, but this week let's end at 138,878. That's for pound share. As you've seen, we have been retesting. We see a bearish engulfing here. Now we're going to be using this Fibonacci on creating entry. As we've seen, it has been rejecting around 136,526 on 38% fib level. How do I remove this shit? How do I remove this? Yes, perfect. Here we are. Let's get to the Euro USD. Euro USD, it has been ranging for quite a while, but it's a break the support around 121,528. Now we'll be targeting 118,835 this week target, and if it breaks that support, we're going to be targeting around 116,780. But for today's target, I can see 1.19797 has been hit and successful touching. Now let's move on to USD CAD. USD CAD has been one of our favorite and pair. We've been making money on this. This is highly correlated with the dollar index, and we had a head and shoulder last week which brought out a lot of money, and right now it's rejected and declined this downside momentum around 127,016. Now we are targeting the up move up to 130,542. That's the very first target, but it can go beyond up to 131. But for this week, we're gonna end around there. Let's get to pound yen. Pound yen, it has been rallying up as well, but last week we experienced a break of the upside momentum with a retest on this Monday. Now we are targeting down up to 147.057, and the beyond target will be 144.913. That's all, and we're gonna move in this way. So the downside move is highly expected on this pound yen. Let's move to New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY, we've been down for a while, now up, but the downside momentum is coming again, and we'll be targeting this support level as well. We've seen on the calls, the slanted support is around 76.164, and that's where our target will be, but the beyond target will be 75.655. that's why we'll be moving on. It will be more than 200 pips on this one. As we've said, we're gonna have the index as well. Our favorite index, UK 100, it has been rallying in the up, and it broke the resistance. Now we're moving up. We target around 7815. That's the final target. And as you can, as I've been telling you every day, guys, this index is moving very speed. It's highly volatile, so trade care this one with very tight stop loss and risk management in place with this one. Let's get to the German 30 as well. It has been up. Europe is booming right now, but the German set, it is in a very strong slanted resistance here, so we wait for either a breakout or a bounce back. A bounce back will be confirmed around 12,472, a break of this resistance, but a breakout will be confirmed around 12,668.81. that will be, if it break up at there, will be targeting around 12,949.41. that will be the first final target, and if beyond, we'll be going to 13 at there. Let's move to the final currency, which is Aussie USD. I love this to the last because it's highly correlated with the dollar index. It's highly moved with the dollar index, so we expect the Aussie to move up as it is correlated with the dollar index. Will be retesting back, so I'll be targeting around 0.76603 will be my very first target for bullish. I have bullish BN since it is on a very strong support currently, and it have to pull back after a lot of liquidity going down. So that's it. We're gonna be updating the other setup as well. Let's finalize with the euro card. We've been trading this since the last month, as we said, after touching 1.57. Now we'll be targeting around 1.53359 and beyond. We'll be moving that, and it is highly correlated with the euro USD. So 200 pips on the euro USD, 200 pips on the euro card, 200 pips on New Zealand JPY, more than 500 pips on UK 100, more than 500 pips on German 30, more than 500 pips on euro USD card. So I guess it's going to be a very great week to everyone. I'll be announcing on the execution on the 4 hours chart to each of every currency. If not me, Salah will be analyzing and posting after each execution, but the weekly target will be thus it is. So we'll be entering on daily basis for those with little balances, but for those with big balances, they can move on targeting that week. So you won't need to enter and exit on a daily basis. But for those below $1,000, daily trading is very useful, and I'll be updating on each entry and exiting. Can I exit here? Where the exit button. So